So my little boy absolutely loves this garage. He loves fixing things, so this was the perfect toy to buy. I love how it's got a lift, it's got lots of interactive features, it's got this car wash where you go down the ramp, and then it's got this fixing station. It also comes with the car, so you can push the car up the lift and tip it down, and then it interacts as it goes, and it says it needs fixing, it's here for a repair, which is really fun. And then you put it on the fixing station, give it a good wiggle. Oh, my 3-year-old loves doing that. So yeah, it's been a really good toy. It connects up to all of his other TUT track, so you can make a big city, including like the police station, the fire truck, the fire station. Yep, it's been a really, really good toy.